Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today is the day 9 for our Wireshark series. Now in previous video we have talked about SAC, selective acknowledgement, and we have also understood how and where this can be helpful in real world environment and what is the use case of this, right? Now we'll understand more about TCP in this particular video, and we'll understand the flag of TCP, which is reset and FIN. What is the difference, why and when this will be used, and we'll also do a packet capture. Basically we are not going to do with any specific topologies, but yeah, we are going to see. I have a sample capture which is available, and I'll show you how reset happens and in what cases the FIN happens, because this is very important during the troubleshooting time. Why we are receiving reset traffic, why we are receiving FIN traffic or FIN flag TCP traffic, we are going to see that. So I'd request you or recommend you to please watch this video till then, and also I will request you to please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any video from me. So without any further delay, let's get started. So friends, let's understand the concept behind reset flag and FIN flag for the TCP traffic. With the help of this particular image, we'll try to understand more about it. Okay. Now, why the TCP reset happens and why TCP FIN happens, this particular exchange or information will give you more idea about it, right? Now there are multiple types of flags which is basically present in TCP, but one of the specific flags that I'm talking about, because this is majorly you will be seeing lot of trace files, and then we'll try to analyze the sample capture and we'll try to see how that basically works in real world environment, right? Now when we talk about resetting the traffic, now as the name suggests here, that I want to reset the connection, I want to start the connection from the start. Okay, but the meaning in TCP reset is like I want to close the connection. So let's say for an example, there is a host and there is a host B. Host A and host B, they want to communicate to each other. So host A is saying that I want to create a connection with you. Now host B is too busy, like his CPU process, or he's busy with some other task or something like that. He's saying that I'm busy, I cannot make a connection with you. So he will say for now, I'm just sending you a reset. I'm just closing the connection because I'm too busy to process this particular traffic. Or in case of host B, if there is a server, okay, if the server is not configured properly, let's say I want to create a HTTP connection from this host to this particular server, and this server is not properly configured. So in that case, he will also say that I am not going to basically accept this traffic because I'm not listening to this. Okay, so mostly what happens is the HTTP, it is listen on port number 80, and if this is not properly configured, he will say that I am basically not going to reply to this, I'm not listening on this particular port number. Or maybe in between, if there is a device like firewall or something, he is basically not be allowing your connection. In that case also the firewall can send you. So basically the basic idea is, if you see a reset traffic, there is something which is maybe the destination, maybe in path devices is basically not allowing the traffic, or basically the destination is not in a condition to accept the traffic. Simple, right? Now when it comes to TCP FIN, right, it's a FIN means final. Just think about in that particular way. Okay, so TCP FIN is basically a positive way to close the connection. Now let's say I want to send out traffic from host A to host B at 10 MB traffic. So I have created a TCP connection. I have transferred all the data. Now I'm saying that I am okay to close the connection. He will say, I am also ready to close the connection because I have received all your data. Okay. And then they will be sending FIN, and after that they will send in acknowledgement to each other. And we are going to close the connection. So FIN is a right way to close the connection. But whereas in the reset is not that way, right? So FIN is a way or right way to close the connection. Now we are going to see in the trace file how that basically shows inside the real world environment. Okay. So friends, let's move on to the capture which we have done. Let's do a review for first. We'll review for FIN. So if you see, this connection looks to be very fine, like SYN, then we have SYNAC, then we have acknowledgement, then we have get request. So basically this is an HTTP request, okay, and then the server has started sending some of the traffic and he has got acknowledgement for it, then push, then ACK. And if we go a little down on this, we will be seeing, okay, sorry, I guess this, so this is okay, acknowledgement, and then we have got FIN and acknowledgement as well, right? So we have got all the traffic over here. Now if I give you a background of this particular traffic, so if we open the TCP stream, we will see that client has basically asked for get request from the web server, and web server has provided the web page with all of this information, right? And after that, once the information has been sent to the client, the server has sent, and he said that we are done with this particular connection because I've already sent all those communications or like all those traffic. He sends ACK and he also sends an FIN, and after that the connection is getting closed after the acknowledgement. So this is the right way to close the connection after a successful file transfer, right? Now we'll analyze the reset traffic, how that basically works in this. So friends, now let's analyze the reset traffic over here. Okay. Now the first traffic has been sent by source to the destination, the SYN traffic. Okay. And after that, the reset traffic has been received. So basically, he is basically trying to reach on port number 443. Okay, this is the destination port number. Okay, you can see that this is the source port and the destination port. So destination port is for destination IP address and destination port number, right? So he's trying to reach on port number 443, and he's basically sending a reset traffic, meaning that he's not listening, or might be he's busy to respond you or something. He's not having that process to respond you properly or something like that, or he's saying that I'm busy right now, let's have a connection some other time, like that it is. So server is busy, server is not responding, server is not configured properly, something like that. So this is not something which is related with the firewall thing. Okay, you need to understand this particular part. Okay, so by seeing this particular information, something is not right. If you see FIN, which is right. Okay, so this is what I wanted to cover in this specific video. I'll be covering more topic about a topic related with Wireshark captures or some other topic related to UDP or other things as well. So if you have learned something new, I would request you to please like this video and comment if you are facing some issue or if you have learned something new, guys. And also, if you have any suggestion for my videos, you can reach out to me on email, or social media handles are there in my about section on my channel. as well as in the description box as well. Thank you so much for watching till then, and I'll see you in the next. Thank you.